Welcome back. This is Stephen Bronner with AVPro and RTI. Going to show you a quick demonstration of the power of Integration Designer 11 for CEDIA 2025. So we're going to start off here. I'm going to start a blank program here in new system. I'm just going to name it test. You start off by adding your processor. So we're just going to add a quick processor. We're just going to do this quick, so we're just going to add a standard room. Go to our controller here. Let's say we have a handheld controller in that room. Make sure we have all our pages ready. Everything's ready to go there. All right. You go to your drivers here. Let's say that room has a Sony TV. So you go to our Sony driver, drop it into the room. We'll let the Sony TV be the audio source just for expedition of the process here. So we add that. Now we also need a source on that Sony TV, so let's go to the Roku. So what we're going to do here is we're going to allow the client the ability to use the Sony apps or the Roku apps. So we're going to add our Roku player here, created the devices there. So those are your drivers. If you wanted to add any Z-Wave, infrared, RS-232, all that stuff is here. The database is massive. So once we're done with that, now, okay. So now what I want to show you is here's your interface. It has generated. This is your home button that takes you back to home. These are your Roku commands. The Roku commands are already tagged with what they are. So now you know, okay, this particular button is your home button. It's already got the Roku tag on it. So we're good to go. These buttons are all already tagged with commands. That is the remote control fully done. The only thing you would do at this point is explain the macro steps like you have to do with all control systems, and you're done programming a single room for an RTI control. This is Integration Designer 11. It's revolutionary for control platforms. One thing I will show you is, just really quick, when we talk about customization, so if let's say your customer doesn't know what this button does, what does that mean? Nobody knows. Okay. No problem. We can go here, delete the icon, add text, and we can just tell it this button is the back button. Okay? We'll center justify it, bold, and now that button says back. If we want to move that button over here, we can move it over here. When we say complete open architecture, we mean complete open architecture. There's tons of custom buttons. You can put your face on here if you really want to scare people. You can do whatever you want to do. RTI is complete open architecture. It's the most powerful software package that I have found on the market. I look forward to talking to you more about it in the future. If you need more information, look us up, avproglobal.com. Once again, Stephen Bronner, CEDIA 2025.